Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Thursday, July 3rd. So remember that tomorrow, July 4th, the market is closed. There'll be no morning brief. Um, and actually, I am not trading today. Taking a day to spend time with family and relatives, and we're going golfing. So I'll be going golfing here shortly. That being said, let's go over what's going on today. We do have some major red numbers at 8:30. We have average hourly earnings month over month, non-farm employment change, and in the unemployment rate. A lot of people are going to be watching these rates to determine whether the Fed is going to push to lower interest rates or keep them the same. Unemployment claims also. All this is at 8:30. Trade balances at 9:45. We have final services PMI. 10 a.m. we have ISM services PMI and factory orders month over month. 10:30 we have natural gas storage, and at 11 a.m. we have a talking head. FOMC member Bostic speaks. So that's your news for today. Again, remember that tomorrow the market is closed, so there'll be no action going on there. Moving on to charts. So I'm changing my chart outlook, changing the background a little bit. Let me know if you like this background better than the white background. We are all about to break to the outside, get a new futures high. It certainly looks like that's where the market wants to go. Yeah, I can't explain it, but that's where the market wants to go. We're going to be in no man's land up here. There's no structure, there's no price, there's no volume. It's all a guesstimation. So if you look at the range of the previous bars, use the ATR, you can guesstimate that, yeah, it might go up to 63.23. If it goes down, it'll probably come back down and test this high volume node at 62.36. Volume continues to be non-committal, so it is what it is. I've talked about that a lot before. Looking at the inventory, at big price movement yesterday, inventory was negative. Now, anytime I see almost all-time highs and negative inventory, this tells me that there is a lot of people that do not believe. These are non-believers. If the inventory was down about 3,000 contracts, and it was down even more than that it was down over 10,000 going into the last bar here. That being said, it just tells this again. Yesterday, same situation, with the inventory being low, or say negative. This is saying people are getting out at on the sidelines. We're at that triple quadruple top that we've talked about. All-time highs, fundamentals not matching, macro view not matching. It looks to me like the big boys are moving to the sidelines. Maybe that's just ahead of the holiday weekend. I don't know, but certainly seems to be a lot of people either taking profit, moving to the sidelines, and saying, hey, I don't want to hold this over a long weekend. Certainly could be the case. Looking at the overnight action, amazingly enough, only 15 points. 62.85 to 62.70. I mean, are you kidding me? That's really, really low volatility. Again, we're about to break out. You'd think there'd be a lot more interested people overnight guesstimating that this market's going to break out to the upside. Not happening. Again, where do we have support and resistance? As you can see, once we get above, there's nothing up here. There's literally nothing up here. There's a couple of guesstimation lines, 6,300, 63.25 for resistance. Support, I would say support is back down here at 52.51. We've got a little bit of confluence around 62.34, which would be that dash line is yesterday's or day before yesterday's low. 62.21. We can scrunch this a little bit more. 6,200, 61.80 are your support numbers for today. Stock Traders Almanac is 61.9. 61.9, that's pretty high for a positive bias of 61.9 that the market will go up for today. That's all I've got for you. Remember, tomorrow, no morning brief. We'll see you again on Monday. Hope you have a great 4th of July weekend. Happy trading. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.